The operation and use of T50 and T25 remote controller will be introduced in this section. This is the power button of the remote controller. Short press this button when it is turned off to check the built-in battery level of the remote controller. Short press and long press to turn the remote controller on. When the remote controller is turned on, short press the power button to turn off the screen to save power. Short press and long press it to turn off the remote controller. This is link indicator light, which turns green when the remote controller and the drone are successfully linked. It is red when the remote controller is not linked to the drone. This is the power indicator of the remote controller. Before taking off, check the power of the remote controller to ensure that it is sufficient before performing the operation. These are screen edge buttons with the function the same as the icons in the corresponding position of the remote controller screen. The buttons on the left are customization buttons. By default, L1 is add point, L2 is spotlight switch, L3 is tilt down recenter gimbal. The functions of the button on the right side is the same as the corresponding icon function on the remote control screen. You can click the screen icons to select the function or click the physical buttons at the corresponding location. This is a 5D custom button. The operation method is to press the middle button down or toggle the buttons in the 4 directions. In the remote controller settings, you can set these 5 buttons of the up, down, left, right and center to different shortcut functions. For example, set the up as spotlight switch. This is RTH button. Press and hold for 2 seconds to activate the function, and the drone will return to the home point. When returning to home, short press the button to cancel the return, and the drone will hover in place. This is back button. Short press to return to the previous page. This is the spray spread button. Short press to turn on or off the spraying or spreading manually. Long press for 2 seconds to purge the air from the hose. This is the flow adjustment dial, which can adjust the spraying flow in real time during manual operation. Flight mode switch button. Toggle this button for an emergency stop during operation or returning to home point. This is micro SD card slot, in which you can insert a micro SD card and import data to the remote controller. This is USB-A interface, which can be used to connect the remote controller with other devices, such as charger and charging station, to activate the device or check the status. This is an HDMI interface, which can be connected to a TV or projector to project the remote controller screen on the display device. This is USB-C interface, which can be used to charge the remote controller and also connect it to a computer for exporting files, or use assistant software to update the firmware and export the logs. This is FPV map switch button. Short press to switch between the FPV screen and the map, and this can be realized by directly tap the bottom left corner of the screen. This is camera adjustment dial, by which you can adjust the tilt angle of the camera. This is the C1 and C2 buttons. In A/B point operation mode, they are used to add point A and point B respectively. In manual operation mode, they are used for left lateral movement and right lateral movement. C3 is a customizable button. For example, it can be set to clear the flight path. This is external battery and dongle hatch key. Press it to the bottom and then pull up the cover to open the hatch. This is remote controller battery fixing switch. Short press to remove the external battery. When installing the external battery, press the battery to the bottom and push it up slightly. The following describes the installation method of the dongle. Firstly, remove the 2 screws of the hatch, insert the SIM card into the dongle, connect the dongle antennas to the 4G port, insert the dongle into the remote controller, finally cover the hatch and tighten the screw. Here are a few shortcut operations between the back button and other buttons. Back button and spray spread button for quick screen recording. Back button and FPV map switch button for quick screenshots. Back button and flow rate adjustment dial on the left to adjust screen brightness. Back button and FPV angle adjustment dial on the right to adjust the volume of the remote controller. Of course, these operations can also be done through the drop-down list. The above is all the content of the remote controller. Thank you for watching.
Fully loaded, the new Flagship. Introducing the DJI T100 agricultural drone. Maximum takeoff weight, 149.9 kilograms. Maximum single-axis thrust, 82 kilograms. Featuring a coaxial dual propeller configuration, 62-inch carbon fiber blades. Powerful and robust. Operational safety is paramount. The T100 safety system has been fully upgraded. The new laser radar paired with active phased array radar provides the T100 with safer, smoother, fully automated operational capabilities. The laser radar captures up to 300,000 spatial points per second, able to finely depict obstacle boundaries. Complex terrains fully emulated. During operations, AI can automatically identify obstacles and save them into the field. The more it flies, the safer it becomes. A new quad vision system provides 360-degree real-time environmental perception, ensuring takeoff safety, and can automatically display obstacles in any flight direction on the screen. Supports high and low beams and downward fill lights, ensuring safe landings during nighttime operations. To achieve safer, all-time, mountain orchard operations, the laser radar paired with an FPV camera supports fully automated aerial surveying in low-light environments. After surveying, it can quickly generate maps. Wire recognition rate increased by 80%, automatically generates more precise 3D operation routes. The T100 has a spraying payload of 75 kilograms. Maximum flow rate of dual nozzles increased to 30 liters per minute. It meets high-flow operation scenarios. For the rear canopy of fruit trays, optional 4 water-cooled atomizing nozzles. Flow rate up to 40 liters per minute. Durable dual-motor water-cooled structure. Droplet filters as fine as 10 microns, effectively improving liquid penetration. Comprehensive spraying coverage. The T100 can quickly switch to a spraying system. Spreading payload of 75 kilograms. Equipped with a new generation spiral auger. Flow rate doubled to 400 kilograms per minute. One spreading equals 2 flights. Supports high-speed spreading in all scenarios. Overall operational efficiency increased by 7%. Auger motor torque doubled. Spreading is smooth, equipped with various augers to adapt to different temperatures. Spreading is more precise. Spreading hopper capacity of 150 liters. Can adapt to low-density particles like chaff seeds. Facing transportation needs in orchards and large fields. The T100 can also showcase its abilities. Hoisting payload of 85 kilograms. During flight, combined with tridirectional force sensors, can intelligently adjust posture, automatically eliminate cargo swinging, ensuring stable transportation. The T100 supports mobile phone loading and unloading point guidance. Through the remote controller, AR can display destination positions in real time. Manual transportation can quickly find loading and unloading points. Also supports automatic flight transportation. Worry-free and efficient. Supports weight detection. Avoids overloading. Facilitates settlement to provide stable and continuous energy supply. The new intelligent flight battery has more power, lighter weight. Triple air duct cooling design, paired with an 11.5 kilowatts versatile variable frequency charging station. 9-minute ultra-fast charging. Also offers a 12 kilowatts intelligent charger and a 15 kilowatts vehicle-mounted charger. Quiet and environmentally friendly, economical and portable. During operations, interference with network RTK and image transmission signals happens occasionally. Thanks to the new DRTK3 Agriculture Edition. Plug and play. No need to configure coordinates. Even when facing ionospheric interference or no network environment, can achieve centimeter-level position, stabilizing the entire field. Facing scenarios with severe image transmission obstruction. Can also opt for 4G enhanced image transmission or O4 image transmission. Relay transmission, stable and online, ensuring operational safety. This is the new DJI T100 agricultural drone. Fully loaded, the new